Hello, Joseph again. I am continuing my attempt to give you a gift for Christmas and to explore how fit I actually am to lead a guided meditative session myself. Today, I would like to, making the assumption that you're willing to do this and you are capable of bringing your mind to task, try something new. I'm going to take each and every candle I have here and blow them out. And I would like you to actually get a candle. So I'm going to give you a second. Please go get the candle and light it. I really do enjoy the candles. They make a pretty decent prop, all things considered. Do you remember that show, Are You Afraid of the Dark? Where the kids would gather around and tell R.L. Stine Goosebumps stories? At the end of every episode, they would end it much the same way, with a moral about how bad things happen to people who don't watch out, and how you can never quite trust anything that you see. Man, growing up in the 90s definitely had its benefits. So, I've got my singular candle and I'd like to place it down right in front of me at my feet. I'm going to assume a cross-legged position, hands on my knees, and adjust them to just how you feel comfortable. I personally like the scholar's cradle, but looking at the camera, it doesn't seem to be working right, so I'm gonna do this. Anyway, it's raining outside, a very slight drizzle, which is all the better. When I saw that, I just wanted to get right into this. What's going to happen is you're going to shut off all extraneous lights, all extraneous noises. It should just be nice and still. At the very least, only natural sounds. Maybe the sound of your heater, your fireplace, your candle. But ideally, nothing that you can't shut off. Okay. So, we're going to begin. If you'll sit cross-legged, arch your back up, stretch out at any of the soreness and get into a comfortable spot. Take a deep breath in. Let it go. You want the breaths to be nice and deep. It should take several seconds for each breath. I like to start by breathing through the mouth and then switching over to the nose. When you're ready, please close your eyes. Hear the sound of the rain for me? Oh, it is just magical. I love the sound of the rain. The only thing I like more than the sound of the rain on the roof is actually snow in the mountains. When it's a windless night and there's just nice giant crystals of snow falling and it's cold enough where it doesn't melt on you when you walk, just go for a walk in it and it's just so peaceful. You can lose yourself in it. Okay, so please close your eyes and breathe deep. Just clear your mind. I want you to focus on the top and bottom of your breath. Breathe in. Pause for a second and just feel how your body feels. Let it go. Just feel how different it is when you have no air in your body. Breathe in and feel your body. Breathe out. Now, What can you hear besides me? Maybe you hear your heater, or your upstairs neighbors, or the rain on the roof, or just the creaking of your old house. Surely you hear something. Just hear it. Just focus on what else you can hear. Listen for anything new. If you can't hear anything, just return to your breath, the high and the low breath. Okay. There's a candle in front of you. I just want you to take the time, with your eyes closed, to appreciate the candle. Surely you must see the light flickering against your eyelids. Appreciate how it waxes and wanes as it burns. Just like your body, the flame is always in motion. And just like your mind, it always moves a little bit. It's an effort, it's an expenditure of willpower and concentration to keep your mind still. We don't want your mind still, but instead we want it focused. Focused on one point, just like the flame is on the wick. Just appreciate the flame for what it is. Feel it bathe you in its warm glow. And again, you don't have to focus on the candle. You can always listen more, or focus on the highs and the lows of your breath again. If you feel your mind start to wander, if you start thinking about work or a fond memory, just gently nudge yourself back into the exercise at hand. Just appreciate the candle, the light, the sounds, and the movement of your body as it breathes. Slowly expand your universe outside of your mind. your body, through your house, through the light. Now, very slowly, no matter where you are, straighten your back just a little bit. And come back to your breathing. Breathe in, pause at the top. Breathe out, pause at the bottom. Feel your diaphragm, your chest, as it inhales and pauses and exhales and pauses. The world around you is full of life. The world around you, it moves just as you do, and you're a part of it. And every day, take just a few minutes to appreciate it and to feel it. You'll move on more at peace with what you're doing throughout the day. Whatever you have to do next, you can do it knowing that you're calm, collected, and a part of something bigger than yourself. Now, can you pick up your candle and, if you must, go turn on a light? But if you're like me and a little more adventurous, just blow it out. Just like the Goosebumps story. Have a good night, you guys. Or a good morning.